Hi guys, I want to teach her how to using the jacuzzi valve. Okay, this is the outlet for the water. Now it's the open. If you want to fill up the water, then you turn this one, and the cap should become go down. If you want to release the water, then you turn up back. The cap is coming up. Okay, this is one, and then this is push. If you push down the water, you can fill up. Then you push up, so the water is going out. Then this one is open for water, and this one a bit. You tie a bit is the cool water. If you tie too much, then it's the hot water. This one is cool. This one turn more is coming hot water. Then you want to close the water, just start up here. And this button is for hand shower or turn here, or for this one. This tap of water come out. Okay, let me show you. Now it's the hand shower. If you want to try this one, you must come in here and turn this one, and then here will come water. The hand shower will stop. If you want hand shower, then you turn back to here, and hand shower is coming. And one more thing, if you want using the jacuzzi, you must fill up the water level until close up the all hole, and then come over here outside, switch the light. Thank you.